Hello, children! Welcome to our reading adventures. In this lesson, we will continue to read simple sentences with CVC words. We will focus on words with the ah sound. We will also learn the sight words this, that, and we. Say the words aloud after me. This, that, we. Great job! Are you ready? Let's begin. Read the word after me. This is a fox. Now it's your turn to read. Say the word as you see the red dot. Great work! Read the sentence one more time. This is a fox. Repeat after me. This is a box. Now it's your turn. Awesome work! Read the sentence again. This is a box. Repeat after me. This is a log. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Well done! Read the sentence once more. This is a log. Copy what I say. This is a hog. Now it's your turn. Splendid! Read the sentence again. This is a hog. Say the word aloud after me. This is a mop. Now it's your turn. Spectacular! Read the sentence again. This is a mop. Repeat the word. That is a pot. Now read it one more time. Good work! Read the sentence again. That is a pot. Say the word after me. That is a cob. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Good work! Now read the sentence again. That is a cob. Repeat after me. That is a dot. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Great work! Read the sentence again. That is a dot. Copy what I say. That is a dog. Now it's your turn to read the sentence. Awesome job! Read the sentence once more. That is a dog. Repeat the words. That is a toy. Now read the sentence again. Great job! Say the words once more. That is a toy. Say the words aloud after me. We can hop. Now it's your turn. Splendid! Read the sentence one more time. We can hop. Repeat after me. We can jog. Now it's your turn to read. Say the words again. We can jog. Say the words after me. We can sob. Now it's your turn. Well done! Read the sentence again. We can sob. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.